Hi, welcome back. The delay from Black Week is finally over, and this was supposed to be a very cool unboxing video, but as you can hear on my voice, I got the flu. So this is going to be an fluing unboxing video, and what I ordered during Black Week was most of all this one. What I'm shooting this video with is my Canon 80D, and I'm slowly transferring myself to the Sony brand. So this is the Sony A6700. For this I also purchased an original battery for this one. There is a battery included in the box, and I purchased the original battery, an extra battery, and then I purchased two different batteries for the extra light and the external monitor, which I have when I'm out shooting events. This box is supposed to contain a dummy battery for this camera. Very often I'm shooting, I put the camera on, record, and that can be on for like 2 or 3 hours, and that's why I bought this one. I know that they are having heating problem here. I gotta fix that. And I bought this SD memory card for it, Lexar. And one thing I bought also is this small rig cage and this tri-charge, the shoulder strap, the battery, the Sony battery, the one for the eye. What is my first impression? The first impression is I need to remove these ones, because seriously, if you're out on an event or shooting in a studio where, seriously, that need to be removed. And then I like this part with the flip out screen. And since I do a lot of vlogging, this has a built-in stabilizer. So, and it's not that heavy. Less weight on this one compared to the Canon 80D. I have a few events in the near future right now. Am I going to use this one for that? No. And why not? Because I'm a Canon person. I have no clue about the menu system in this one. So this one is going to be a kind of a learning curve for me. And the original battery. The reason I bought an original battery is because I have been looking very much on social media. There's many people who says that they're having problem with Sony reading not original batteries. So then I was thinking, I don't want to be out in an event, the battery start to have problem. So now I got two batteries. I don't think it's gonna take too long before I buy a third one. That was also one thing, when you look at this one for instance, that was also one thing that I was reacting on. I have a tablet in my mouth right now to make my throat easier to talk. I bought this one, tri-charge, from another YouTuber, Peter Lindgren. What I'm disappointed at is not this one. This one is brilliant, but what I'm disappointed at, it was not easy to find a charger for those batteries. Sony had one around 1,000 crowns, and this one kind of the same, but here you charge 3 batteries in the same time. And I can open it up. There's tons of videos about this charger. There's specifically one YouTuber out there, I don't remember the guy's name, but he has a video only where he unboxed this charge, and I totally agree with him when he says that when the big companies are thinking, they are gonna, for instance Sony, when they are doing the charger, or external companies thinking, they don't really think about how we use it in the field. So that's why I'm thankful for this guy, Peter in Gothenburg. You should check out his video. He's a cool dude. That's why I like this one. You can have 3 batteries, that means I have -1. And you have also few memory cards here. And here you have for power to charge. Here you have for power out, so this became a power bank. So this could be both your main charger at home, and unplug it, put it in the bag, and you have the batteries collected, the SD cards collected, out to do some work. And here's a USB to USB cable for charging it. So this one I like. You guys who also have Sony cameras, do you have this tri-charge or do you have something else to charge your battery? Also, one reason that I bought this one is I want to charge like all the batteries in the same time, but also specifically that so many people are complaining that you should never charge your battery directly in the camera, and in the same time there's no charger included when you buy the camera, so you must buy a separate charger. Way to make money on the people. And here is the external battery, external monitor and lightning. Sony NP550 550 3350 milliampere, and this one is NP750, so this is a little bit bigger. This one. That means there's a difference in the weight. The dummy battery filter, according to the box, Sony NP-FZ100 dummy battery, USB-C charging. Well, there's no weight in it. And then just straight like that. Okay. Does this means that this locker here, this door, is supposed to be open because the battery is inside? Oh wait, there is kind of had the wrong glasses. With this battery door on the camera, you click to open it, but you also have to click to lock it. I didn't know that. You don't need to do that on a Canon, at least not on the 80D. You just with this door and it's locked itself. The SD card, Lexar 128GB V90. And here is the small rig cage. Since this camera got a clean HDMI out, and clean HDMI out means that you can connect it to an external monitor that you can also record. And since it's a clean HDMI, you can remove all information on your monitor, so you just see the video which you're recording. I'm planning to use my Blackmagic video assistant 7-inch 12G as an external monitor here. What do you think? Put a comment below and tell me. Am I thinking too much or too less? So, I still need to remove those. I don't know what they were thinking when they put 2 of those. No, I don't have that on the Canon. Well, first thing I'm gonna do right now is putting the batteries on charge, and after that I have some homework to do, study this. But I think it's gonna help me and improve my work. Absolutely. This is going to be interesting. Go from Canon to Sony. It feels like I'm betraying Canon, but a few events, when I shoot those, I need more than 29 minutes shooting. Most Canon cameras, they close after that. And as I can understand, Sony, especially FX3, but Sony is a little bit better under darkness. Well, this is going to be interesting to learn. I feel like I'm having headache already, because I can learn all this stuff now. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so sorry that the energy is on top right now. I have a serious flu. I am so tired right now. But please, put a comment below and say, was it right of me to do this? Thank you so much for joining me here today. See you in the next video.